Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Practical Multi-Keyword Ranked Search with Access Control over Encrypted Cloud Data. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about the project. In this paper, the authors have proposed the concept of MRSF, which means multi-keyword ranked search scheme with fine-grained access control. So here in the architecture, you can see the entities of data owner, data user and the cloud server. So in this project, we will be implementing 4 important features. So that will be the objectives of the project. The first one is like we'll be securing the data in the cloud server. Second, we'll be providing the access control mechanism to the data and the persons who are accessing the data. Third, we'll be providing the search token to preventing the retrieving of data from the cloud server. Then final, we'll be providing the ranked order retrieval from the data that we are retrieving from the cloud server. So let us see the execution of the project so we can get an idea about it. So we have developed this project in Java using NETBEANS IDE 8.2. So first let me load the project into the NETBEANS. So for that, go to File and click Open Project. And select the source code folder. And kindly wait till the project is completely loaded. Meanwhile, you need to stop your antivirus and firewall because the keys will be received to the data owners or the data users through the email. So if you are using antivirus or the default firewall, if it's not switched off, then the email will not be received. So let me switch off it. So let me switch off for temporarily till completion of the execution of the project. And now we'll go for the NETBEANS. Here you can see now it has been background scanning process has been completed. And also make sure that if you are attached your MySQL database also before running it. So now it is completed. Now just click it and make a right click and click run. So here you can see the welcome screen or the home screen of the project with the project title Practical Multi-Keyword Ranked Search with Access Control over Encrypted Cloud Data, and the abstract that is mentioned in the base paper. And here you can see the entities data owner, data user and the cloud part. So first I'll go for the data owner part. So as I am a new user, I'll go for the registration part. So this is the data owner registration part. Let me enter the details for the data owner. and after entering those details and click sign up. Now the registration is success and click OK. Now it will be navigated to the data owner login part, where you need to enter the email ID and the password which is used for the data owner registration part, and click login. And the login is success and click OK. And this is the welcome screen for the data owner with the data owner name. And here you can see the options of uploading the file, my files, requested files, downloaded files, and logout. First we'll go for the upload file. So in the upload file you can see the option of file keyword, selecting the file and selecting the access policy. So first let me create any file with a file name. So let me go to D drive and create a text file, testing cloud project. Let me name this, just enter this data here and save it. So let me upload that file with the keyword cloud project 2021. And here you can see the access policy that you wanted to read or download the file. So once if you click the read policy, anyone cannot able to download the file, they can only read the file. And if you select download, you can able to download the file. So let me click download option first and show you how it is done. And also note that as we are using cloud project, so the data that we are uploading will be stored in a cloud called Drive HQ. So this is the cloud service that we are using to upload the files in the cloud. So let me show you that. So now I'll click upload. So you can see the file is uploaded successfully and click OK. And in my files you can see the details, that is file ID, file name, file keyword, uploaded date and time with the decryption key. This confirms that it has been uploaded in localhost. Let us check in the Drive HQ, that is cloud part. So just I will log into the Drive HQ. So now you can see testing cloud project.txt with the created date and time 1st May 2021, 1:41 the time is. So this is the exact one that is created now. And if you click this file, you can see the contents have been encrypted, because the plain text or plain content should not be displayed to anyone. So it has been encrypted for the security purpose. And let me log out from this part. And this is made sure that our project has the cloud part and that has been uploaded successfully. And let us come back here, and here you can see the other parts, that is requested files will be empty because till now we are not given any request, and downloaded files will be empty because till now we are not downloaded any part. So let me log out. Now let me go to the data user part. So for the data user, as I am a new user, I will be going for the registration first. So let me create a new data user in the data user registration part with the name called Jayaprakash with some other email ID. And click sign up. Now the registration of data user is successful. So now it is navigated to the data user login part. So enter the details that is used for during the registration part and click login. Now the login is success and click OK. And this is the welcome screen of the data user part, which has the option of search token, search file, requested file, download file, and logout. And first we'll go for the search token part. So as depicted in the architecture, you can see that any data user cannot directly access the cloud server. Only they can get a search token, and also this search token will be a dynamic one, so that will not be a same. So once after getting this search token only, they can able to search the file, and after giving a request to the data owner part, only after getting the decryption key they can able to download the file. This is like making the security part more enhanceful. So here you can see get search token. So this is the user, and let me request, so get token, and once if you click get token, your token will be sent to the email ID. Just you can log into your email, and now you can see the username Jayaprakash and your file search token. So just you can copy this search token. Now go to the search file part. So here you can see search token and file key. So in case if you are not entering any search token, you cannot able to search any files, or if you are just entering some bogus data and entering some cloud keyword search, you can see it is incorrect search token. So you cannot able to get, you cannot search any files in the cloud. So only after entering the exact search token, the keyword, you can able to find the files. So let me search with some multiple keywords and click search. Now you can see the requested file. This is the file rank, as there is only one file with this name, it is ranked as 1. If there is multiple according to the ranking keyword, it will be ranked. And also you can see who's having those file uploaded by which person, that is the data owner name, what is the data owner ID, the file ID, the file name, uploaded time. And in case if you wanted to make this require this file, you need to click request. So once if you click request, you can see the request has been sent to the data owner. So if you go to requested files, so here you can see the file name which you requested. This is the requested file. So here you can see the action for download. So once after the data owner has approved the file, only you can able to download, and also after getting the exact key only. So once if you click download, before that, so it asks for the decryption key. If you give some bogus decryption key, you can see that is not downloaded because it is incorrect key values. It is mentioned that it is incorrect key values. So let me go to the data owner part to approve this file. So here you can go to the requested file. So in the requested file, earlier it was empty. Now you can see the one requested file, because it has been requested by the data user, that is Jayaprakash is the ID name to file ID, what is the file name, the requested type. So once if this data owner can approve this file, you can click approve. So you can see the file has been approved now. So let me log out and go to the data user part. So once the file is approved, the data user also receives a email to their email ID. I'll show you that. So now go to the requested file and click download. So here it asks for the enter the decryption key. You should go to your email. So there you can see now the new email with the file name and the secret key of it. So just copy this key and paste it here and click verify. And now you can see the file name and the content of the file name, and as the access policy is download, you can see this access policy. In case if the access policy is read, you cannot able to download this file. Let me show you that option also. So in this scenario you can able to download. So let me show you this scenario first by clicking download. Click download. So here you can see you can save it to the desktop. So here you can see the file with the content of it. Okay, now we have seen the access policy for download. So let me other thing is like in the downloaded files you can see which all the files that you have downloaded with the date and time of it. So now let me create some other file to show you the access policy of read policy. So let me upload some other file. So name it as testing cloud, and let me upload some content. And set the policy as read policy. So let me upload now. So now the file is uploaded successfully. Click OK. In my files you can see the file that is uploaded now. So now let me log out and go to the data user part. So in the data user part we'll go for the search file. So let me use the search token that I already provided. Search token, and just type the keyword testing and click search, and here you can see the file name with the file rank on the details. If you wanted you can request this file. I'll just click request. Now the request has been sent. You can see the status is now waiting. So now let me log out and go to the data owner part to approve it. Now in the requested files you can see the file is been waiting, and if you wanted you can click approve. So once if you click approve, you will be receiving the data user will be receiving the key to download it. So now in the requested files you can see the file and click download, and in add for the decryption key go to the email again. You can see the file name with the key of it. Just copy it and paste it and click verify. Now you can see the file is being decrypted, and here you can see the file cannot be downloaded because the access policy is only to read the file and cannot able to download the file. So according to the access policy this works. And let me log out from the data user part, and now the final go to the cloud part. After entering the login credentials of the cloud, you can see the welcome screen for the cloud server, and here you can see the details of cloud files. So in this cloud files you can see the details with the file ID, file name, data owner name, file keyword, uploaded date and time. So here you can see the files that we have uploaded, these two. And in downloaded files you can see which are the files that have been downloaded with the file ID, file name, and the username who has downloaded, and the downloaded date and time details. And finally we'll go for the evaluation part, that is graphical part, where you can see a graph with the time and average encryption time and decryption time. So this is not a static graph, this is a dynamic graph. It varies according to the file that you are uploading and downloading. So this graph considers according to the time taken for the encryption part and decryption part. And if you wanted to save this data, you can also save as JPEG and PNG. Let me save as JPEG and show you. So in this way you can also able to export the results of the graph. let me log out from the cloud server. And this is all about the project practical multi-keyword ranked search with access control over encrypted cloud data. And thank you for watching.